it got a lot of hair. And then I just go in one more time just to make sure it picks up everything.
Were your pits able to handle that? Okay, cool.
If I was with a client, I definitely wouldn't have called it an armpit. I would have called it underarm. But because it is my classmate, we just like to, keep it light and fun. I also got to use the purple Seduction hard wax. And this time I had my friend do my underarm since your girl did need that wax. And you can't really see, but in person the wax is sparkly, which I feel like that's cute. And my favorite color is purple, so